when you get in at 4 o'clock in the morning and the gates are blocked by a toter. So you have to take your trailer with you to the Airbnb that has no driveway, that we're sharing with some Texas boys who have big boy trucks. But isn't it cute? So, always an adventure with the KC Maxx group. We also lost a panel. At some point. So, all right, well, let's go racing.
What's the name of that event? Rednecks and Paychecks?
Yeah.
Or Dead Batteries R Us?
I know, it's dead.
Hey, remember when I said, hey, we should probably charge that?
Yeah, I was too busy sleeping.
Look at our pit.
For the record, I did take the action step.
Somebody's gonna fall in that porta potty because it's all muddy and yucky in there. They're gonna get up.
I don't know where Ryan thinks he's gonna park, but okay. Where is he gonna park the car?
They have a plan.
Okay.
I don't know.
Oh.
Wait, break.
The ramp came out.
Well, how'd that happen? My foot.
Eric was trying to get the fuck out of the way like he was supposed to, so he didn't run him over.
Okay, go. Hold on. Okay.
Hey Ryan, what you doing?
I'm pumping water.
Maybe if you drill holes in the ground like a shady side. Are you collecting it for real? Uh-oh. Did you get a crawfish?
No, I got a stick. Started shifting and going. I want to make this thing on now. What I remember is that, like, you could use the bathroom door, and had a Rambo knife in the corner, popping the freaking door off. I'm just like. wants to go that fast.
Look at that. It's pretty. So pretty back here. There's my intro video right there. We have spaghetti and noodles and stuff.
No meat in it.
I'm gonna go upstairs and finish getting ready while you film.
Hey, be careful where you're stepping because there's some nails that
Yeah,
are
there is. I stepped on one yesterday.
Well, to your right also.
Or were. Ryan's over there videoing Eric.
See, I'm about to take mine in and wash it in the bathtub.
I can see the label. Oh, okay.
Will you make sure and
We
grab
can see that you need some new fucking shoes. That's what you
He
need.
did. I just have
Hey,
debating
These
on
air
which
conditioning
style to
holes are
order.
from me wrecking the scooter at friggin' Shady Side.
All right, so it's Saturday. We're gonna attempt to race today. Yesterday, we got rained out, mudded out, had to dig some trenches out, suck some water out,
Yeah.
found a tarp in our trailer to use as a walking path.
Felt like a water bed.
Felt like a water bed. Yeah, like Megan said, that mud was gooing underneath it like nobody's business. So, they put cars in the lanes last night for them to get washed by Mother Nature. So, unfortunately, last night was a rain out, but today it is beautiful. It is sunny. It is still, I'm assuming, moist down there.
And
So, we're going
shout out to the crew for trying so hard.
Oh yeah, no, the race crew. Yeah, Eric said shout out to the crew. I mean, everybody's busting their ass. I mean, I think Jeff said he bought 3 counties worth of gravel and heavy equipment to come in and started repaving all the pits, and they did everything they could to get it going. But what was supposed to be a half inch of rain overnight turned into a couple inches, 2 to 3 inches. And then we got hit with another half an inch during the early afternoon, and that just really set everything back. So today's going to be a fantastically better day, just with a little soupiness out there. But hopefully the natural spring that was coming up through the shutdown of the track is gone, and we'll be ready to race. So
Did you hear Amber?
no.
She said that there was people staying in tents and their tents were flooding.
Flooding while they were sleeping. They woke up to their tents flooding.
Yeah, half
That's
inch of rain.
awful.
Half
That
inch of
would
rain
be.
turned to 2.5 inches.
I think the last time I tent camped, I was like 16.
Yeah, no,
Did you
no.
see the guys at Shady Side doing the same thing? Like in the crotch of the hill? I'm like, you okay?
Anyway, sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. I just thought that was crazy. So awful. What are we gonna do today? Go
Today?
fast.
Ass.
We're going to try to go fast.
Yeah,
Same thing we did every night, Pinky. Try to take over the world.
We're going to try to get the cast in the winner's circle.
yeah,
Again.
yeah,
First time with the big block.
yeah.
Big block, you're not pulling your weight.
That'd be dead. Be making some noise up there tonight.
It'll be the third combo if you put it in the winner's circle here.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, if we can. I don't even want to talk about it because I don't want to do is just jinx myself, and then we're not going to do
what do we wanna
anything.
talk about? We're just gonna go fast. We're gonna be safe.
We're going to have some kind of sensor failure and take us out like we did last spring.
Okay, have they
Knock
actually
on wood.
have they actually posted the pairings or like
Yes, the
when
pairings are posted.
No, I mean not the pairings, but like so when are they running 26s?
We can't double enter.
No,
either.
yeah, that was a rule.
The run order is what that was the word you were looking for.
Run order, thank you.
Yes,
Thank you for following me to
no, we did not double enter because double entry was not allowed due to the event being shortened by 1 day.
I can't argue that.
And this was like the highest amount of tech cards they have ever sold for an event because Thursday, which was like parking day, they had printed off 150 tech cards and they are gone. Poof! All Soldier Racers.
Gray.
So they had
Oh
to
my god. Black.
Ah, red.
I was closest.
guessing the truck colors.
Why did I say pink?
Man. So we are. So there's a ton of cars, lots of people to run through. We have 48 in small tire. I wouldn't be surprised if more people are trying to get in today, even though they did first round pairings last night. But since we didn't run last night, I mean, what harm is there in adding more cars? So we'll see what happens. But that was kind of it. We're just going to do kind of a quick morning recap to finish off this video with. And we're going to get to the track, get our merchandise sales up and moving again, and get to racing and hopefully completed before the next sunrise. That is our goal. Hopefully we are in the winter circle before the next sunrise comes up, and we are actually at our Airbnb as or before the sun comes up, because we're starting at 3-ish and we have the most cars they have ever tried running down this track in one event, and we got to do it in one less day than normal.
In multiple classes.
Yeah. All right.